How to create a logo using AI and then refine it professionally in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, Nexora is the logo name we will use. Copy the logo name. Now here's the AI logo prompt. Paste the logo name into the prompt. Copy the entire prompt. And paste it into ChatGPT to generate the logo. And here it is, our Nexora logo. Now let's refine it. Open the logo in Adobe Illustrator. Click on Edit in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+I to invert the color. Press Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate. Press Ctrl+L to adjust the level and make the logo pure black. Press Ctrl+S to save. Now back to Illustrator and click Yes to update the file. Click Image Trace. Choose Sketch Art. Click Expand to convert it into vector shape. Next, go to Fill Color. Choose Gradient. And select your favorite gradient from the preset. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI and design tutorial.